Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. And this chart here was posted in the Telegram group that we've got. It's free to join. By the way, just go to savewithcrypto.org/TG. Join that and then look at the pinned message at the top and it will tell you how to get into it. So my friend CD posted this and said, how do you interpret this chart? Okay, what this is showing is these EMAs. There's a cyan one here, 9 EMA that I always talk about. The yellow is a 21 EMA and the green is a 55 EMA. Now this was a couple of days ago. So I decided to respond with a voice note. Hello, Mr. CD. Okay, so the way I would interpret that is it looks like for quite a while, I mean, bear in mind, this is the 1 day time frame, isn't it? Yeah, it is, yeah. So for a long time, the green 55 EMA has been at the top and the yellow one has been below it, which means that on that time frame, we're basically in a downtrend. Now, obviously now what's happened is this cyan has gone above the green, which is good news. And it looks like sooner or later the yellow 21 might cross the green 55. Now, if that happens, yeah, things should be incredibly bullish. Yeah, nice one. Well spotted. Yeah, I like that. Cool. Oh, by the way, I'm assuming that you've set your indicator the same as mine. 9, 21 and 55, cyan, yellow and green. All right. Okay, so that message was actually 3 days ago. And now, today, we've actually got that cross we were talking about. In fact, it happened yesterday on Sunday. So that is really good news. Now, if you look in the past when that happened, all right, it happened here on the 23rd of July, and we did pump up to nearly 70k. Before that, when it happened here, it happened around 63k. And we went up to 71. I think that was that the all-time high? No, not quite, was it? Okay, and then the time before that was right down here. No, not even there. Here, okay. So that was October 2023 when we were at 27.1k. Now, the bit before that was a bit weird because it was kind of a bit in and out. Nothing much happened, okay? So let's ignore that bit. Then the time before was January 23. Now, if you remember, last year was actually quite a bullish year, wasn't it? Started off at 17 grand. Can you remember that? It's mad, isn't it? Sort of like, I think we were all moaning about 17 grand, thinking it'll never go back up to, you know, proper prices ever again. And here we are at like 63.3. Anyway, that's Bitcoin for you. So what's going to happen next? Well, interestingly enough, have you noticed that today, like, was really, really dull? Like nothing much happened. Almost as if something's about to happen. It's a really good sign that something intense is going to happen, and I think that's going to be a push up to the upside. That said, that's on the daily time frame, and today, and if we look on the hourly, today has just been really kind of annoying. I've got a trade at this level here that's annoyingly underwater, not by much. It's not big, you know, it's only like $50 or something, but like, you know, I just want to see the price go up, but it's actually done almost nothing. Meanwhile, have you noticed the Ethereum Bitcoin chart? So let me just take off this VWAP so I can see what's going on. Okay, so you see here at the beginning of September we had the yellow 21 EMA above the 55 EMA. Okay, then all of a sudden the 55 went on top. All right, it kind of touched a little bit here and there, but it stayed on top all the way down to last Thursday. And now that 55 EMA is on the bottom and we're going up. So with the price of Ethereum going up against Bitcoin, that normally is a sign that there's a lot of interest in altcoins, not so much in Bitcoin, which is why Bitcoin's going sideways at the moment. And you are seeing some altcoins do really well at the moment. So in the meantime, I really don't know what to expect, actually. This is the 15-minute time frame, and that was obviously looking very sort of like positive earlier on, but now it's gone quite sort of negative. So I think maybe we might pump a little bit tonight into the Asian session. It's currently 10:30 p.m. in the UK, so I guess in the next sort of like 2 hours or so, when I'm probably asleep, we might see a little bit of a pump. But there can always be a dump as well, and do remember there is a CME gap at, I think it is $53,900. So it's possible we could have a $10,000 dump, isn't it? Anyway, I think my plan is to either get out of my trade that's currently like $50 down and sit on the fence for a little while, because I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen, but I want to make sure that I've actually got, like I'm owning quite a reasonable amount of Bitcoin. So I'm going to be doing inverse perpetual trading, which is coin M trading on BitGet, to hopefully multiply the amount of Bitcoin I've got. Now, I found out today that BitGet doesn't actually work at the moment. Well, it works in the UK, but you can't sign up new in the UK at the moment. I think they're trying to work on the legislation thing. So your best bet if you live in the UK at the moment is to use Blofin, which with my link you can win up to $5,000. So that's savewith.crypto.org/Blofin. But yeah, sorry there's not much happening today. I've tried to make 3 other videos and they all turned out to be rubbish because just nothing happened the way I wanted it to. But I guess that's what trading's all about, isn't it? Anyway, if you appreciate my absolute dedication to the cause, then please do give the video a like. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Do make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. And above all, tell your friends.